Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Maybe we should start with a long-term outlook. As you know, we recently started to develop the weekly charts, not for all coins, but for the ones that show certainly long-term potential. And yeah, Solana shows here a 5-wave move to the upside into the initial 2021 all-time high, then came down here in what we can consider a wave 2, potentially complete in January, December, January, okay? And it could now be moving up in this third wave, which will end somewhere there. These are, of course, not realistic prices. We just have them on the chart as standard Fibonacci extensions. Disregard the timeline. I only have them on the chart to show the complete roadmap that would fill in an ideal world, but we know that altcoins most of the times do not do this. What I have to say, though, that Bitcoin, Ethereum, if you use those Fibonacci projections many years ago, Bitcoin reached those targets, but that doesn't mean that the altcoins are going to reach them. Yeah, they are not like, okay, they will go there. Don't treat them as prediction, but I need those waves on the chart to be able to calculate the targets for the lower degree waves, okay? So the next target we should really focus on, in my opinion, is the all-time high target between $440 and $713. And then also within that, obviously, we've got 5 waves to fill in. Maybe we already have the first wave complete and the wave 2, and the third wave should then take us to, yeah, to probably here, this area around $100, $140. We will be able to specify that much further as we go along. Now, this is just a weekly roadmap outlook. The yellow wave count is valid as long as the June low isn't broken, okay? This is just a higher level view. That can change. It's also possible that we're following the white wave count, which would reset the white wave 2, or this wave 2 here, yeah, a little bit lower. But this is just to give you a long-term outlook. We need to look at the shorter time frame count to understand which conditions need to be met for this yellow wave count to remain active. And ironically, the yellow wave count is actually orange on the shorter time frame. I might change that again. Well, it's actually sort of yellow. I don't know what color it is. The idea is that obviously here, since the December 22 lows, yeah, the price might have done this 1-2 setup. Again, that might reset a little lower. But as long as the June low is holding, as I said, it can move higher in a third wave. And it would only be valid as a diagonal structure, yeah, because this move up, unfortunately, which occurred between June and July, it is not an impulse, it is only a corrective wave. So we count it as an A wave, the move down now as a B wave with a C wave rally that could happen afterwards. And we're now watching like a hawk if this C wave is starting. At the moment, there's not enough going on to suggest that the C wave is going on. But remember that in this B wave, in this pullback, in this correction, we reached, first of all, here the larger support area. This is relevant as a larger trend reversal area between $15 and $20.20. So this is overall, for this scenario, the area where we would expect a turnaround. Yeah. And on the microstructure, yeah, we could get one more low. But I don't want to see more than one more low in this scenario. So it's either turning around now or one more low to keep this scenario alive. Below the $15 level, however, I will have to change scenarios to something more bearish, but not necessarily completely bearish. It would just allow for a deeper pullback. And therefore, as I said, we can't really fully confirm that an uptrend has started. We need to watch it, and we need to watch if support is holding now. It broke the descending trend line. That's the first signal. And bear in mind that within this larger support area, we had the area between $17 and $17.90 identified as potential target. And we arrived there and we turned around. So that was successful. Now we just need to be watching for potential development of 5 waves. And as I explained in the last video, we potentially have 5 waves, but they are unreliable at this stage. So maybe this is still extending out further. But currently, the support against which we can focus generally on higher is $17.80, which means anybody who's following this potential breakout count, which again, I can only say it's not very reliable yet, but the support level to move higher is $17.80. Yeah, a break below that level will make another bear market low here, very likely. I'm still focusing on another bear market low, not bear market low, another low here in this move down. But it certainly can move higher against $17.80. So basically what it means, it's not gonna, this white wave count shows a potential first leading diagonal, okay? So that's potentially bullish, a very first early signal, and it just now needs to hold in any pullback the $17.80 level. As long as it's doing that, we can push higher. So this is hopefully very, very clear. But it's too early to say this is high probability, okay? And then bear in mind that the $20.20 level is going to be a key breakout point, in my opinion. This is a level where the price found recent support, recent resistance, yeah, and we've got here the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder, and a break above it could send it higher. This is sort of best I can do at the moment on this chart. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. As a channel member, you get access to our Sunday weekly member live streams. Today, we've got one at 5 p.m. UTC. So if you're interested, check out the membership. You could join today the live stream. We're covering a more detailed topic about Fibonacci levels, how to apply them. I mean, we covered a lot of the fundamentals before, but some additional specifics, and you can also get access to our Discord, Telegram channels, chat rooms, additional educational content, and as a gold member, you get access to short-term market updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.